welcome to Wild India. Today we came to Santragachi Jheel over here. Santragachi Jheel is in West Bengal. Many winter migratory bird comes here just in the starting of the winter season. So let's see whatever birds came over here. Before proceeding, we are saying that if you do not subscribe our channel, subscribe our Wild India channel now and please hit the like button. Let's see the birds. As you can see here, there are many birds. These are the most common birds in Santragachi Jheel. They are known as lesser whistling ducks or lesser whistling teals. They are in numerous numbers over here. They are resident bird in Indian subcontinent, not a winter migratory, but in Santragachi Jheel they can be seen in very good numbers in the winter seasons. They are the most common birds of the Santragachi Jheel area. Everywhere they are present. This is a little cormorant that is sitting over here in a bamboo pole. It is also a very common bird in Indian subcontinent, can be found throughout the year. They often can be seen in the Santragachi Jheel also and can be found in good numbers. It is one of the common cormorant species in Indian subcontinent. There is a lone egret over here. As you can see, the white bird, that is the cattle egret. They are also present in between the ducks. This is a black drongo bird. They are also sitting over the bamboo poles. They can also be seen in good numbers in Santragachi Jheel. This is Indian pond heron, a common bird in the Indian subcontinent. They are extremely good fish hunter. And over here in the Santragachi Jheel, they are waiting for the fish. Indian pond heron is a common bird through Indian subcontinent, can be seen anywhere. And the Santragachi seal provides them a very good habitat. Guys, this is a bronze-winged jacana, a very common bird in Indian subcontinent, named because their back color is of bronze color. This is an adult bird. They are also common throughout the Indian subcontinent and can be often found nearby water areas. They love the water hyacinths over here. Inside the water hyacinths, they lay their eggs and raise their youngs. They are a resident bird in Indian subcontinent. These are guard walls. On the right side, these are males and this is a female. They are using the same techniques as the lesser whistling ducks. Just when the light starts dimming, they keep their face inside their back. This is a gadwal. Gadwal is a winter migrant bird to Indian subcontinent. Unlike the lesser whistling ducks, who can be found throughout the year and a resident bird, but gadwals are winter migrant birds. Comes just before the winter starts in India. There are 2 males and 1 female. This is another female, but this is not a gadwal. This is northern pintail female. This is a northern pintail female. They are also winter migrant bird to Indian subcontinent. As you can see, there are many islands are over here. 8 to 10 islands are present, and each island is filled with these lesser whistling ducks. Each and every island is filled with lesser whistling ducks. They are just everywhere. I can see many cormorant species are present over here in this tree. These are Indian cormorants, and there are some little cormorants also. They are everywhere in this tree. They are a common bird in Indian subcontinent, resident bird. Their main food is fish. So for today we have finished our bird watching in the Santragachi Jheel. We have shown you many species. Mainly there are up to a single species that is over here. Everywhere there are these birds. So hope you guys have liked our today's episode. If you liked it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our Wild India channel and press the bell notification for more videos upcoming. For today, bye bye.